Good morning. Welcome to Northwest Florida, also known as the Panhandle, also known as Lower Alabama. In today's video, I'm starting out with some freshwater fishing at sunrise on Bear Lake. I didn't catch anything, but that's fine because I haven't been fishing in years, so it was fun just to give it a try again. I didn't waste too much time on the dock trying to catch a bass because I wanted to get out on the trail before it got too hot out. So I'm riding the 6-mile mountain bike trail around Bear Lake, and after the long hot ride I'm going to head to the Gulf for a swim in the 88-degree crystal clear saltwater bathtub that is the Gulf of Mexico. I've hiked around this Bear Lake before, but I've never taken the mountain bike trail. And it's a beautiful morning. Yeah, this is much more enjoyable. Riding the bicycle through the forest trail. After I broke my leg, I basically didn't ride the bicycle at all for 2.5 years. Looks like we haven't gotten halfway yet. This is really nice though. Oh. I will stop here for a second, make sure I know how far I am, and get a sip of water. How long have I owned this bicycle? Almost 20 years. Almost 20 years I've had this Specialized. And you know, I've gotten out on some trails. I took it to Moab. I did like world famous Slick Rock Trail out in Moab. I don't know how many miles that was, but whew, I made it all the way around that thing. That was yeah, I crashed twice while I was out there. I think there's some kind of magnetic interference force field going on with my technology, of course, like usual. Whew, just dripping, pouring sweat already. And I've only been riding for like 40 minutes. It's probably 80 to 90% humidity in the air. Like I said earlier, we're definitely coming back out to this trail. In the cooler weather. Look at where I am right now. There is no other person anywhere near me right now. But yeah, where I'm at right now, I'm closer to Atlanta than I am to Orlando or Miami.
I'm actually even closer to Atlanta than I am to Tampa. And I'm only 2.5 hours from New Orleans. And I'm about an hour away from some of the most beautiful white sand beaches in the world. Yet I'm in the middle of nowhere in the forest. I'm halfway. Started right there, so I'd have to go all the way back down here and then back over to there. But, nah, I might not be halfway distance-wise, but I'm just gonna push through. Some nice, pretty wildflowers out here too. I wonder what kind of bird that is. Can you hear that? Yeah, that's what I'm saying about coming out here when it hasn't been too wet, which it has been raining a lot lately. I've walked the trail with my beautiful American Bulldog Sheba. We have walked the 4 miles around the lake, but I've never been over here on this trail, which would be, that would be a really long hike to walk all this way. And I don't know, you know, I don't think this is only 6 miles. This big loop around the lake, you know, because if the inner loop that's closer to the lake is 4 miles all the way around, this has got to be like 8 to 10, I would think. Alright, well, that's going to wrap it up for the trail riding portion, because the GoPro malfunctioned and I missed the last part of the ride, but I was hot and sticky and ready to get to the beach as it is, so Pensacola Beach. Beautiful day for it. Green flags, 88 degree, crystal clear, saltwater bathtub. Perfect after a long hot ride. The water is 88 degrees today. And this is what you call a green flag day in Pensacola Beach. See how clear the water is? Can you see my feet through the water? Hey, thanks everybody for staying tuned, and if you are interested in Northwest Florida, like this video, subscribe for more, and if you like the music, check out these links.